Blow drying a natural hair is a very simple task, like very easy peasy. If you know these 3 tips I'm going to be sharing in this video. So before then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to as many persons as possible, share to your enemies, to your friends, to people far and near. So share, like, comment. Yes, tell me if you have any questions. Make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'm all ears. So the first tip is that make sure you wet the hair. It's a natural hair, so make sure you wet it, or else maybe the person washed her hair in your salon and then you're immediately going to blow dry it and don't need to apply water because the hair is already wet. But when the client's hair is not wet, make sure you wet it, because as you can see now, this girl, her hair has been like, it has been washed for like the past how many days, like it has stayed like this for the past how many days. So hot combing it is not going to be easy if I just start like that. So you have to apply water, and after applying water, it's still going to be very difficult to a hair. So because it was very difficult, I had to like improvise. I had to go and look for my leave-in conditioner, because I can't be stressing myself now. So I had to look for my leave-in conditioner. After applying the leave-in conditioner, it became very easy to comb. Yes, if you don't have a leave-in conditioner and then the customer or maybe your client is not making a gel up, one thing you should know, packing gel and hair cream do not work hand in hand. Yes, you cannot be making somebody's, like, if the client, when the client come, right, make sure you ask the client what style the client wants to make, because if it's braiding, then fine, you can apply a hair cream to make the blow drying process go very easy. But then if the person were to say, I want to gel up, like packing gel, make sure you don't apply any hair cream. It's going to spoil it. Yes, I know most of you don't know this, but thank God you know now. Don't apply hair cream when you want to make, when it's packing gel your clients want to make. And then the second tip, I've already even said the second tip, but I'll still say it again. Apply shea butter, yes, after wetting the hair, just to like make it easier to comb. Like, make sure you comb the hair very well. If you wash the hair, if the client came to your salon to wash her hair, right, make sure you apply enough conditioner and comb the hair very well at that time where you're washing it, so that when the clients come to sit down, the blow drying process will be very easy, and then the clients won't end up having headache all because she just blow dried her hair. Yes, and most importantly, if you didn't apply enough conditioner when you were washing the client's hair, and then the clients come and sit down, and then you discover that this thing is very difficult, to make sure you calm down, drop the blow dryer, and then comb the client's hair very well. Comb it until it's now free, like a hair, then so that you can now start blow drying very easy and very cool. So the third tip is know the kind of hair you are about to blow dry. Yeah, it's very important. Yes, different textures of hair require different blow drying process. Yes, the way you blow dry a natural hair is different from the way you blow dry a relaxed hair, or even a hair that has undergrowth. Yes, for a hair that has undergrowth, emphasis on the root part. Hair on that part of the hair, emphasis on that part. Like, if you watch closely, right, you see I'm using the brush to like brush the edges. So if someone that has undergrowth on the hair, right, make sure you part the hair into sections, and then as you're parting it, you're using this brush to like brush the root part. This brush is going to help it align with the remaining part of the hair. It is very important. In short, like, to some extent, blow drying a hair that has undergrowth is even more difficult than blow drying the normal natural hair. But if you notice, I had to stop using this brush at some point, right? Because I discovered she was finding it it was becoming very uncomfortable for her, and she's a kid, so I just had to look for an easy way. Yes, but if it was an adult hair that I was making, right, I would have parted the hair into sections and then make sure I use this brush to like smoothing it. Yes, so for those of you that don't have a blow dryer, all you have is a stretcher, not to worry, because the next video after this and after the next video I'm going to post, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch your hair using a stretcher, not a blow dryer this time. So it's a very different method. So all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment, share to as many people as possible. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.